Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to make recurring tasks in Asana. This is incredibly useful when you have regular activities that need to happen on a schedule, like weekly reports, monthly reviews, or daily check-ins. Let's jump right in. First, head over to your Asana dashboard and select the project where you want to set up your recurring task. This could be any project you're managing, whether it's for your team, personal tasks, or a specific department. Once you're in the right project, look for the plus add task button to create a brand new task. Alternatively, if you already have a task you'd like to make recurring, simply open that existing task instead. Now, type in your task name in the task field. Be specific here so everyone knows exactly what needs to be done each time the task appears. After you've named your task, locate the due date field in the task details panel on the right side of your screen. Click on it to open the date selector. If you'd like to include a start date as well, you can add that optionally at this stage. When the calendar pop-up appears, look down at the bottom where you'll see an option that says Set to Repeat. Click on that. This is where the magic happens. You'll now see a Repeats drop-down menu. Click on it and select your preferred repeat interval. For example, if you need this task to happen every week, choose Weekly from the list. Next, you'll see a row labeled On These Days. This lets you specify exactly which days of the week you want the task to repeat. Simply check the boxes for your chosen days. For instance, if you want the task to repeat every Monday, check the box. You can select multiple days if needed. Before moving forward, take a moment to review your selections. Make absolutely sure the frequency and the days you've chosen are correct, as this will determine how often your task reappears. Once everything looks good, click outside the calendar pop-up to confirm your settings. The pop-up will close and your recurring schedule will be saved. Finally, close the task details panel when you're done. That's it. Your recurring task is now set up and will automatically appear each time it matches your scheduled frequency and selected days. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.